Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Affirm on your mobile device in order to buy now, pay later? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and search for Affirm just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here. And now all you need to do is simply tap on the get icon. It's going to ask you to verify yourself. So go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, it's going to start downloading and install. Maximum is going to take 5 to 10 seconds to install onto your device. So let me just go ahead and wait for that to happen. As you can see, my application is now downloaded and installed. All you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on open. And now all you need to do is just sign in or even just sign up. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.